If you wait until a trend is absolutely everywhere already, you're probably too late. And every few weeks to every few months, there are brand new trends that start to get traction, but haven't exploded yet. They're starting to make bestsellers, but maybe they're only in one or two or three niches so far, and they haven't been applied to every single niche out there. Well, if you can spot those trends early and apply them to niches that have not been introduced to this trend yet, that's where the money is. And as we are in a brand new year and we are switching seasons heading into spring, we are starting to see some of these trends start to pop up. Doing research last week to try to spot some of these trends, I actually noticed 5 brand new trends that are still early, but they are quickly picking up steam. And I can tell they're accelerating extremely quickly because a lot of them are becoming bestsellers, even though they were listed less than a month ago. I sell on both Etsy and Shopify, and I can honestly say if you are someone able to spot these trends super early and again, be the first to introduce it to maybe a brand new group of people, you can seriously start making money fast, even as a brand new seller. Yes, the last 2 I think are going to be trends that carry on all the way through 2026. And again, we're just at the beginning part of them now, so make sure you watch to the end to get those 2. And the first one is actually a play on something that's already been popular in 2025, which has been geese. If you've been on Etsy, geese stuff has been everywhere. But I'm noticing a brand new, very specific trend within this geese niche. And if we start scrolling down, we can start seeing these come to life. And this specifically is 4 geese across the top of a t-shirt, but they are doing something in a specific niche. So if you take a look at this one, for example, a radiologic technologist goose shirt. We have this one here, for example, which is a goose Valentine's Day Comfort Colors t-shirt, and it just has 4 different geese having different Valentine's Day things around them. If you've been on Etsy a while, this trend seems to always change. It actually, when I first started on Etsy, it used to be 4 coffee cups across the top of a shirt, and then people would dress the coffee cups up as Mardi Gras or Christmas or Thanksgiving, and it changed into something else. I can't remember what it was a year later, but now it seems to have moved from coffee cups to geese. And using my Profit Tree extension, which I currently have installed, and I'm using their lifetime plan. If we take a look down here, I can see that this listing was listed less than a month ago, but it already has 15 sales and it already has a bestseller tag. Using my Profit Tree extension, this is called the Etsy Radar, I'm able to go onto a search page and I can organize all the results by number of monthly sales. I can see how much monthly revenue they're making, and I can also see the demand. So these are the different demand badges. I can see how many times in the last 24 hours something has been added to cart, how many times it's sold, and how many times it's been viewed. So this makes it really easy to start spotting trends. And if you would like to use the same tool for your own research, I have it linked below in my description for a one-time payment of only $67 for their lifetime plan. Here is another example of this goose trend doing really well, but again, at the beginning of its rise. We have this one here that says Mardi Goose on the loose, which of course as Mardi Gras comes up, this is only going to gain more and more traction. I don't believe it's in its peak buying season just yet. Maybe by the time this video comes out, but that doesn't mean this isn't going to work for tons of other niches and upcoming holidays. So if we scroll down on this one, we can see it's making monthly sales of 26, and we can see this one has been listed in the last 2 months. We have this one here, which actually is a PNG and not a shirt, but usually what ends up doing really well as PNGs eventually makes its way onto shirts and starts doing really well. And this one is super niche. This is a thrifting geese. We have this nurse one here. This one's actually a pretty simple graphic. They all kind of look the same, but this one is just a funny nurse sweatshirt. So you can niche this down by specific types of nurses, specific ages of teachers. You can make mama goose shirts. You can make America 250 patriotic geese shirts. There is so much opportunity within this niche because it's doing well across so many niches already, and so many of these were listed in just the last month. This next one has been around for a while, but I've noticed in the last month or 2, the sales really pick up on this one. And I do believe it's because spring is coming, and usually right before spring, we see a massive surge in floral sales. And this specific one is called Lino Cut. I'm hoping I'm saying that right, but it's typically a floral, or it doesn't have to be floral either, but a slightly darker color design against the color of a shirt. So if you have like a pink shirt, then the design is a darker pink, so there isn't too much contrast between the design and the shirt color. And we have this one here, for example, this lino cut, which is a pink with a slightly darker pink or blue and a slightly darker blue floral. And we can see this one has over 100 views in the last 24 hours, has been added to cart over 20 times in the last 24 hours, and currently has 40 monthly sales. At first, I thought this might just be a one-off design that's doing really well for this specific floral design, until I started noticing it doing well in other niches as well, including this one, which is actually a very specific mahjong shirt. So we have a retro lino cut mahjong floral t-shirt, which has also started doing really well. This one was listed in the last 4 months, but it's making 22 sales a month. I've started to see it in other interesting trends like this one, which is a Mothman Comfort Colors tee, which is a forest core or a cottage core, which cottage core is also going to be probably trending pretty hard once spring rolls around. Then we have this one here, which still kind of is a floral, but it is a boho crow drinking coffee specifically one. That as well is doing really well right now, and scrolling down, we can see also viewed 100 times plus in the last 24 hours, and is making 34 monthly sales. And I do love this design because, again, I've only seen it really applied to 2 or 3 different niches, but I can see this really growing, especially as we get closer and closer to spring, where people are looking for floral shirts. And something that's really popular right now is subtle messaging shirts, and I could see that being woven into this design pretty easily. This specific design trend, I'm not exactly sure what to call it other than a retro club shirt. And we have this one, for example, to start us off, Cat Dad Club. It usually has this bright orange with a blue combo, this retro style. And if we take a look at the stats on this one was listed 2 months ago and has sold 23 times a month. There's this other very specific close one, same thing, a Cat Dad shirt. And if we scroll down, this one has been listed for 3 months, making 26 sales a month, and is a bestseller. But that's not the only niche that this style is doing really well in. We have this one, which says Tired Mom's Coffee Club. And this one actually has been listed for a while, but a good sign that this trend is picking up steam now is you can see that even though this one right here was listed 7 months ago, it has sold 5 times in the last 24 hours, and it has been viewed over 100 times in the past 24 hours. We have PNGs of it already doing really well, like this Tired Mom's Baseball Club doing really well so far. We'll probably end up seeing this niche on a shirt soon, since it's already doing really well on a PNG, but it is making 30 sales a month and was listed in the last 3 months. This color combo of this retro style is just everywhere that I'm looking now. We have this one too, the No Ice Please, and this one here was listed a month ago, but it is already in 20 carts. It has been viewed over 80 times in the last 24 hours, and even though it's been listed within a month, already has 7 sales. And now the last 2 trends, these 2 I am seeing everywhere, and they are becoming bestsellers so quickly. And this is another design style that I don't know exactly what to call it, except for maybe this retro design shirt. It's a very 90s style design, and I've seen this one on Etsy for a while, but all of a sudden it is everywhere in bestsellers. Again, not one brand new, but recently really kicking off, even for people who are just creating these. We have this one here, Boys It's Valentine's shirt right here. This one was listed in the last month, has sold 19 times, and is already a bestseller. Then we have this one right here, very similar design style. They do change it up, but the type of text is the same. This border and kind of this rectangular shape is the same. And as I go through all these examples, you'll see how similar they look, but how much this trend is changing between the different niches. Meaning there's tons of room for you to stick out and to create an original style, but in this trend. We have this other retro one, same border. You can see it's usually a double border. This one, I love the retro colors that they're using. Same type of text style. This one is a retro Jonah and the Whale t-shirt. And we can see that this one isn't even registering how long it's been listed 0 months ago, and is already making 9 monthly sales. And we can see that 7 people have bought this in the last 24 hours. But it doesn't just stop to that niche. We also have it doing really well in the cookie or the troops here here in Canada, we call it the Girl Guides types of cookies. So this one just says it's cookie time troop 1235, and it's a cookie dealer sweatshirt listed 1 month ago with already 18 sales and already a bestseller. And another very specific niche down example of this trend still doing well. Now that you've seen this one, you are going to start seeing it everywhere. When I first saw this one, I was like, oh, that's a really cool design. And suddenly it was everywhere I looked and among so many bestsellers. But I still say this trend is early because even though some of these have been listed for a bit, some of them that were listed in the last month are doing really well. Other ones that have been listed for a while are gaining traction now. And there's so many different niches that this hasn't been applied to yet, and upcoming holidays that I haven't seen it on yet either. And then the final design style that I am seeing just everywhere, and I'm seeing it applied to so many different niches, but again, so much opportunity within this one, and I could see this one sticking around for a while. Again, I'm calling this one a vintage washed out design style. So it's usually on a pepper comfort color shirt, and it is a usually white design with all the black pieces of the design knocked out so that you can see through the design and it looks like the shirt is the background. And I'm seeing this doing so well already amongst custom shirts, photo shirts, dog shirts, Easter shirts. We have like this one, for example, where people can give a photo and this person will convert it so that it can show up on a shirt like this. And you might actually think that this design style looks pretty easy, but to knock out the back does become a little bit more complicated. And I actually have a full tutorial on how to create this design style. So I will link that up as the next video for you. But this one here was listed 2 months ago and already has 50 monthly sales and is already a bestseller. We have this one here, which is just the meme of the sad kitten, but in this exact same design style. And this one here listed 2 months ago with already 111 sales, already a bestseller, and 7 people bought this in the last 24 hours. We have this one, which is a vintage raccoon UFO version of this design. We have this one here, which is from a TV show, which I do not recommend unless you have a license, but this one has been doing really well, and I've also seen this doing really well around the Super Bowl. Another niche I would not touch just in case you are crossing some copyrights or licensing. We have this one, very similar pepper shirt with a knocked out background so that this looks like a washed out, very vintage style design. And again, these are just doing so well across many different niches. This one listed a month ago, but already has 6 sales and is currently in 20 plus carts. Now that you've seen these trends and they're front of mind, when you start going through Etsy, you are going to start seeing and noticing these everywhere. And again, if you want to learn how to create that last design style, watch the next video up ahead. And if you wanted a further tutorial of any of the ones in here, just let me know in the comments below so that I know to add that to my list of videos to create. And if you learned anything new, as always, if you could drop a like and subscribe, that would help me so much. Thank you guys, and I will see you next week.